Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of VOLKSWAGEN Classics. Today's episode is just going to be a short one today. I'm by myself for most of the day, and I don't quite have the experience to be doing the structural welding that is needed for the heater channels and grinding. You may have noticed that the floor pan here has been moved from that side to this side and has gotten a clean. That was all done off camera though. Anyway, just going to be a short one today. So we've just basically finished cutting everything out that we need to cut up the top, or the front of the beetle I should say. So yeah, that's out, this is out. Got that little flange bit there, I think it's heater channel. But yeah, we tested the heater channel could go in here. But around the other side, we got a bunch out of here. There's nothing behind this now, but there's still this bit here, that white bit. Cut this here, that's all smooth. We still got this bit here to work out. This bit, so you can see the hole in there. And then there's still these like spot welds we got to get out from there. There's this little job here I might achieve this afternoon, see how we go and maybe finish up the video. It's just to get these two little dents out. Let's give them a crack. Alright, so I've just done a bit of work, as you just seen. This hasn't changed all that much. You just can't really get the hammer and everything in there. But this didn't, however. Look at that. Except for a few little marks, that's almost completely gone. Still needs a little bit of work. It's not obviously done. But I've also got the bit of heater channel out from here. It's probably too dark to see. But yeah, I'm going to call it a night now. Alright, I'm wrapping things up now. Thank you all for watching. It was only a short episode today, but got the front of the heater channel out. It's a big bonus, and a bit of the back, but I guess every bit helps. Anyway, thank you all for watching.